is the basis of all independence.
Man, today is such a beautiful day. It is not too hot, not too cool. Perfect day to be outside. I love this kind of weather. I really am like enamored with nature. The greenery, the colors, the little flowers you see on those little trees up there. The little, those are the little seed pods that are going to be dropping soon because it's fall. You see the little papaya trees and the mango trees and growth. Man, I like nature. This is healing for me, honestly. Whenever I'm feeling down in the dumps, and whenever I'm not feeling so well, I always go outside. Just take a breather, take a break. I sit in the sun. The sun is like this natural healing mechanism for me. That is, I don't know about anybody else, and I think because when you look at humans' evolutionary progress being made throughout time, it's like we evolved in nature. We evolved in the sun. We evolved by hunting and gathering and our food. And so there's something to being out here in the nature, in an area where, we gather and grow food off the trees and off the vines. And I don't know, man, there's something to it, man. I can't even really explain it, but I like it. Makes me feel good. I don't feel good being cooped up inside for too long. I don't feel good on social media for too long. I don't feel good watching TV and being entertained. I feel good being outside and watching growth. I like growth. Growth makes me feel whole. When I can see that I put a seed in the ground and that seed will flourish and continue to flourish and turn into a big, tall, mighty tree or plant that produces a fruit, that produces some more seeds, that is what makes me feel good. That's what makes me feel complete. That's what makes me feel whole. And to see that cycle continue over and over again, it's a beautiful thing. And to see the harmony at play here in nature with pollination and butterflies and bees and bugs flying from plant to plant, inseminating the flowers so they can produce their own fruits. And each one of these living organisms not even really understanding its purpose, but it's all kind of fitting into this larger ecosystem. That's beautiful. And so when we go inside and we watch television or listen to music all day long, we're ridding ourselves of the essence of who we truly are. And that's natural, living beings who evolved outside. It's nature, man. I love it. I love it. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel whole. this plethora of entertainment, I think, frankly, is the downfall of humanity. Think about what it is. Think about our ancestors, our most primitive ancestors. Did they spend their every waking moment of the day seeking entertainment? No. They spent their days by being inspired to go and seek the thing that's going to make them survive. Food, clothing, shelter, water, those things. I feel like those things are so easily given to us that we've been defanged as living beings. And now we don't feel like we have a sense of purpose. We got to bring that purpose back to us. And when you know you're responsible for all these plants, I'm not really responsible. These things will grow on their own, honestly. But in terms of like me ensuring that seeds get planted and my helpers coming along on help and ensuring that these seeds get planted, when we're all responsible and we watch these things grow, whether it's the plants or whether it's our children or whether it's things in nature, it gives you a sense of purpose once again. I don't know, man. That's all I got to say about that. And the revolution, it will never ever be pesticides.
Land is the basis of all independence.